Hey guys, what's good? I'm Praveen Nair from Bodyprocoach Nutrition or Fitness. We've got something really cool thing to keep you cool. So let's go and have a look.
So today we're going to be doing a low-calorie Doodhi Raitha for you.
Let's go.
First, we take EPIGAMA Greek yogurt that's natural, unflavored, unsweetened. So this is for 4 people. To this, I'm going to add 1 small cup of water. Next, I'm going to add 1 small cup of chopped coriander. Going to add half a teaspoon of CHAAT masala. Lastly, I'm going to add that's bottle gourd. So I have grated the bottle gourd, and after grating it I have boiled the bottle gourd, then I have strained the water, and now I'm going to put the bottle gourd. The bottle gourd is about 100 grams after boiling and straining. Now I'm going to whisk the same. If you have a machine to whisk the same, great. If you don't, you're going to just do it with a spoon. So if you don't have a machine, you could just use a spoon and do the same. Now lastly, I'm going to add some ice cubes to the same. So it tastes best when it is served cold. There you go. Optional, you could also add chili powder. Some people like it spicy, so they can add chili powder, they can add even pepper to it. And our bottle gourd Doodhi low-calorie raitha is ready. So this low-calorie raitha is loaded with proteins because we have used Greek yogurt as an option to the normal yogurt. It is also loaded with probiotics. That means it's going to keep your gut really strong. Yeah, and I've got only one point to say, that's about it's going to keep your heart really healthy because we've got Doodhi in it. So you want to make sure that you use Doodhi at least once a day to keep your heart really healthy. So go out there, enjoy all the videos that we have in the playlist. You want to make sure that you scroll down the playlist and understand all those options of videos on transformations, on informations, on Train to Look Good program, which are the programs which you can do it at home probably without any equipments. And we got about more than about 100 recipes. So these are the few things I believe that you need to keep yourself really fit, and we've got all those things out there. If you're looking for online training, do write to us at coaching@bodyprocoach.com. So keep yourself really fit. We'll be back again with another video. See you. Thank you.